Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can deposit money on Hard Rock Bet. First, we will have to visit the Hard Rock Bet website or the mobile app and just log in with our account. The second step will be going to the cashier or deposit section. So once we have been logged in, we will go to cashier or deposit. It should be located in your account menu or at the top of the screen. The third step will be selecting a deposit method, so it offers various deposit methods such as credit or debit cards, online banking, e-wallets, prepaid cards, cash at casino page, or wire transfers if we're doing larger deposits. The fourth step will be entering the deposit amount, so we just gotta type the amount that we want to deposit. And the fifth step will be providing our payment details. So depending on the method that we've chosen, we will need to enter our card details, log into online banking, or follow the steps for the wallet that we're using. The second to last step will be confirming the transaction. We just gotta review the amount in details and click confirm to submit and complete the deposit. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the transaction is processed. And just to make sure that we have received our balance, you want to check your account balance. So after the deposit is successful, the funds should appear in our account balance ready for us to place bets. Hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.